This program contains scenes of nonsensical garbage and coarse language and is intended for a mature audience. Viewer discretion is advised.
Why, hello, my little trash bags. Welcome back to I Bought Some Shit, Let's Unbox It, Pop Mart edition. So I was moseying on around in a Pop Mart store because we were in the mall, and I was like, oh, I need blind boxes. Did I need them? No, but I was looking for like different things, and I saw that they finally, at my local Pop Mart, got Pop Mart. I don't know where that accent came from, but they got this one in, the We Are All Stars from, I think it's Nyota, if I'm not mistaken. Alex is building IKEA furniture. Don't mind the pounding in the background. Anyway, so I got 3 of those. Then I don't have anything from Skull Panda. Like, I have plush pendants, but I don't have any figures. So I saw these, the sound. I don't know when these exactly came out. And honestly, I don't really give a when they came out because I thought these were really cool. And as someone who has misophonia, I kind of feel like these were kind of made for me. They have one that's called the Disgust and the Terror and the Anger, and I kind of want all 3 of those. So I hope we got those. And then I've got these 2 boxes, Memories, We Hold Demu, and then The Missing Day Demu. So I wanted to kind of get, you know, something a little bit different, you know. So I'm happy that I went in there, and I'm happy that I got some stuff. Okay, so let's start off with Nyota. This little baby right here. I love this character so much. I often think they're probably one of the more underrated IPs in Pop Mart. I feel like there should be more stuff. I would love to see a plush pendant. I don't think we've seen that yet, but that would be kind of cool. I'm always kind of like hemming and hawing if I should kind of get the full sets of things. And I feel like in this one I probably should because they're all super cute. Here are all the options. I'll put them up on the side. I love them all. I really do like the Melody Star, the Life Bearing Star. Anything that has like a little thing on her head just always makes me giggle. The Fable Star, Halo Star. They're all really cute. I like the Wishing Star, Meteor Star. They're all so good. So I have 3 different boxes, 3 different weights. Let's hope that we get some good ones here. So I think this one's gonna be, you know what? I'm gonna say this is gonna be my Meteor Star. I think that's what it's gonna be. Let's see. No, bitch. Hold on. Ugh. Let's see if I'm right. Meteor Star, come on. The bag is so cute. No, this is so fucking cool though. Oh my God, wait a second. Who are you? I got the secret. Oh my God, that's so awesome. Oh, you are gorgeous. Okay, wait, hold on. Let me get the card out. You are called Dreamcatcher Star. Oh, I love that so much. This is gonna be a pain in the ass. Oh, I'm gonna have to figure this one out. We're gonna have to hang this one up. Well, I mean, I should. It's a Dreamcatcher after all, Theresa. God damn it. Look how that is beautiful. Oh, that's so good. Oh, I love this one so much. I feel like that rarely happens. No, I take that back. It's probably happened like twice where I got like a single box and got the secret. I think about like the Pucky. The first time I ever got like the little plush pendant of Pucky, I pulled the unicorn secret. And then what else did I get? What other single box? Oh, Mucky. When I got a single box of him. Oh, she's so good. Oh, I love that. Okay. We're off to an amazing start. It wasn't something that I expected. That's why I didn't even say it, because, you know, single boxes I feel like are really a big gamble, but yes, bitch. Okay. Yes. Okay. All right. So I think this one's gonna be, this one's gonna be my Wayfinder Star. I kind of like that one. I mean, I like them all. I love them all. So I think this one's gonna be Wayfinder Star. Okay, this one has a piece. Yes, bitch! Your girl is psychic. Oh, she is sick as fuck. Okay. Oh, hold on. This lights up. Shut the fuck up. Oh my God, hold on. Wait, do I need to put batteries in it? Ow. 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 Hold on, maybe I don't. It has batteries! Oh, yeah, bro. Okay, hold on. Oh, yo, that's so good. That's so good. Oh, first of all, I regret not getting more of these because these are awesome. Oh, that's so good. So actually, let me turn it off. But who cares? We're gonna put her back on. Look how good that is. Yo, that's so good. Okay. I'm so sorry, but I'm also not. Because these are so genuine, bitch. Oh man, listen, everything is on fire right now. Even if this takes me out just for like 6 minutes, it's worth it. Okay, so I got one more. What did I get? Oh my God, I love this one. Okay, hold on, I gotta turn this off though, because I don't want to kill the battery. Oh, that's so good. Oh. Ooh, all right. I kind of like Halo Star. I kind of want Halo Star. I kind of love Fable Star. I love all of them. Honestly, if I got a dupe, I'm not even gonna be mad at this point. I'm just not gonna be mad because I'm just so happy with the ones that I got. Who cares? I kind of want Life Bearing Star. I hope I get that one. Let's see if I'm right. No, this one's, first of all, I thought it said Slutty Star. No, this one is Bounty. Bounty Star. Oh, that is so cute. Oh my God, shut up. So this comes with a little, hold please. Oh, she's so good. She is so pretty. I can't. Oh, I love that so much. Alex, please. We're unboxing, bud, okay? Please. Look how beautiful. Other than, kind of pegging Wayfinder Star, I think I did very good today. I think I did very good. So I think I might actually try my luck and get a couple more boxes because this set is exceeding my expectations and I regret not getting more. Damn it. Oh well. Okay, let's move on. But so far, beautiful start. Okay, so you know what? Let's do Skull Panda. Actually, no, we're gonna hold Skull Panda to the end. Let's do Demo. Let's do Missing Day. He's so sad looking. I really love, honestly, I really love this one. A Story Only I Can Tell. I love that one. I think it looks so fucking good. I want that one. I want that so much. But I'm also kind of okay with all of them. Like I also like Melt Into Me. That one's super cute. Air My Soul in the Sun. Obviously The Secret could be fun. Puppy Sock. They're all super cute. But I really, 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 Soul Trolls or Soul Trails? If it was called Soul Trolls, I would want it more. Is it Trolls? No, it's Trails. It's like, wait, what the fuck is that? Either I'm getting old, which I know I am getting old, or I cannot read or see for shit. Maybe I should probably have my glasses on, but I don't. It's fine. I really want A Story Only I Can Tell. I think that one's my absolute favorite. So I'm going to say, this one feels heavy. I'm going to say that it's this one. Let's see if I'm right. Oh, no, it's the... Oh, yeah, it's someone else. It's actually one of the ones that I wanted. One of the ones that I wanted. All Air My Soul. Oh my God, hold on. I can't read. Hold please. It's called Air My Soul in the Sun. Oh my God, the card is so cute. Love the card. Let me rescue him. Yo, that's nice. That one's super nice. And that's also really heavy, which I love. But let me open up these. And how the is this supposed to look, actually? And then, is it like that? Or is it the other way? That kind of feels like it should not be like that, but here's my beef with figures like this. Super cute, love it. But it's never clear how you, oh yeah, never mind. Okay, I'll shut up. You know what helps? When like, you just shut the up for a second and like you just look with your eyes. That is so good. That is so good. That's so cute. And it should, in theory, stand up, and it does. Oh my God. Okay. That's adorable. Love the card. So good. Okay. So if that one's that, I really want A Story Only I Can Tell. And I'm just gonna keep asking for it until I pull it. A Story Only I Can Tell. No, but it's still cute though. And this one's soaking in a dream. Okay, hold on. Here's a little bathtub. So cute. Let me get a little styrofoam out of here. Oh, this one's adorable. That one's so cute. Not my absolute favorite. It wasn't, I really just want a story only I can tell. That just looks so fucking cool with the magazine in his face. That just looks so good. I gotta find that one. I might have to be uncool and find it on eBay, as annoying as that is. 'Cause I don't know if I want to try the series again. It's super cute, but I feel like, knowing my luck, I'm just gonna constantly get the bathtub. And nobody wants the bathtub. So all right, okay, so we got those Demus out of the way. Let's look at these Demus. Memories we hold. Oh, how sweet. So I think these are super cute. I love them all. I think I want Path of Whispering Lilies. I like that green one. I love the Hourglass. Purring Thread's really cute too. Summer on the Grass is cute. Rainbow After Storm is adorable. Goodbye I Cannot Say. I will start bawling my eyes out right now. The Goodbye I Cannot Say. Oh my God. That's so depressing, but also so beautiful, and I kind of want it. All right, let's see. I'm gonna say this is heavy. Ooh, it could be The Secret too. This one's heavy, so I'm gonna say this is the Goodbye I Cannot Say. I feel like that one is gonna be so heavy, because it is heavy emotionally. Okay, Demu, stop it. What are you? Hold on. Oh, he's so cute. First swim. Okay, so wait, here's the card. Okay, the card is so cute. Oh my gosh. First of all, bitch is on a whale, okay? Bitch is on a whale. I'm sorry. Ma'am, that is so cute. Look at that goddamn duck. Look at that. Look at that. So good. Oh, that's so fucking good. And that's the problem sometimes with some of these boxes, is that they're so small that you don't see the details. So I would have never guessed that that was a whale or anything like that. So me, but that's so cute. Okay. I really want this to be the Goodbye I Cannot Say, but I'm also okay with the Path of Whispering Lilies. Either one of them would be amazing. And I kind of regret now. I like this, the Missing Day one. I think that one's cute, but I kind of wish I got one of those and then I got like another 2 of these, because I really like a lot of the options in this series. In this series, not on this series, in this series. No. No. Oh, but he is so cute. Okay, wait. Who are you, sir? You are the... Oh, it's the Hourglass, bitch! Okay, it's good. It's the one that I wanted. One of the ones that I wanted. Oh, that's so good. That's so pretty. Oh, you are so pretty. Oh, I love that. Okay, so here's the Hourglass card. Love the card. This, though. These were so cute. Again, if I could go back, I would only get one of these and I would have got another one of these. So I think I might actually test my luck again and try. We're gonna try. No, wait, not you. No, I'm gonna go find the one that I want from this series. But I think I'm gonna test my luck to try to get a couple more of them, because I really like these. Demu is super cute, but like I have to be like super in love with kind of what's going on. I have to be in love with it. And usually I'm like, oh, this is cute, but like 1 or 2 is fine. This is actually probably the first series that I'm like, oh, I kind of wish I got the full set. They're super cute. But I think Nyota, winning my heart. Okay, so far we're doing amazing. Love it. Let's go with Skull Panda. So this is the Sound Collection. And again, the reason why I picked up the sound is because I have misophonia, and it's probably one of the stupidest, most fucking annoying disorders to have in the world. Basically, any sound, just any weird sound just puts you in a fight or flight scenario. For me, it's mostly aggression, so I like Hulk out. It's terrible. I hate it. God forbid you chew with your mouth open, you will not see tomorrow. Okay, that's where I'm at. So anyway, I got 3 of these, and it's my first Skull Panda. I'm very excited. I have some of the plush ladies, but I never really kind of fell in love with the series. But this is the first one that I was like, oh, they look sick, and they all look really cool. So I'm happy with any of them. But the ones that I want, obviously, is Terror, Anger, Disgust, all of that. I do love Serenity. I love Grief. I love the Joy. Those are my favorites. So let's hope that I get one of my favorites. I think it's kind of hard because they're all kind of like thin, big-headed ladies. So I feel like they're all going to be roughly around the same, size and shit. So it's kind of hard to tell, oh yeah, this is going to be like super heavy. It's going to be this. So I'm going to say this one's going to be the Terror. I want this to be the Terror. Bitch! Bitch! No, but it's Grief though. Oh, she's so pretty. Oh my God, wait, hold on. Oh, hold on. Let's put her together. She's a little nude right now. Let's put her together. Yo, that is sick as oh, that's so good. So wait, she pops off her little mask. Poor lady. Oh, she's so pretty. Oh, that's so good. The only thing I will say is that this looks like it should weigh a whole lot, and it doesn't. It's actually quite light. So I kind of wish it was heavy because I feel like Grief is heavy. I don't know. It's stupid, but I'm kind of like, I wish this was like a heavy ass figure. But damn, that's so good. Okay. This, I'm very happy. So far we're doing really good. Got one of my ones that I wanted. So now I really need to have the terror. I want the terror. I want disgust or joy or anger. Terror, anger, disgust, joy. Make it happen. Let's see. Let's fucking see. No, bitch, looks like you got tentacles. What? Oh, the trust. Oh, that's cute. Okay, so it was not one of the ones that immediately that I was like, ooh, I gotta have it, but she is super pretty. Let me put on her little costume. Oh yeah, bitch. Oh, she looks so good. Oh, I love her. It's her without her little mask on. Pop her little mask on. Oh, I love that. Oh, I kind of do like that, like a pink and a black one. That's fun. Okay, so we have one more box. Here's hoping. I really want anger. I want anger or terror. Or joy, or disgust. Those are the ones I want. Come on, anger. No, it's not the, okay. Ecstasy. Okay, bitch. So wait, does she not come with something? Oh, I guess she doesn't. Ecstasy, she is on her own. Oh my gosh, she is pretty though. She's a little slutty. But we like her though. So funny, the emotions of grief, trust, and ecstasy. It's very sexy over here today. But that's cute though. That's the card. She's super pretty. But I'm not gonna lie though, I kind of really had my heart set on anger. That anger one looks so good, and I'm so angry. But she's so pretty though. She's so pretty. Okay, so I listen, I get the hype of the little Skull Panda figures and think I'm gonna be hunting for some of them now. This is good. Today was a very good pull. Things that I did not expect, and I did get some that I really, really wanted, and some that I was like, all right, I'll just deal with it. But overall, I'm very, very happy. Now I want to hear from y'all. Let me know down below if you have any of these figures. Do you love them? Do you hate them? Do you not care? Let me know because I love hearing from you. And of course, I want to say thank you so much to my beautiful patrons and YouTube members for keeping this garbage boat afloat. I love your faces, and I'll see you little garbage cans real, real soon. Bye.